Hi beauties, I hope that you are doing well this Saturday evening. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you the foil glue peel off method. I already have applied Builder Base from the brand Emeli onto my nail and cured that under my UV lamp. You will need a nail tip. I'm using these square GelX nail tips that I got from AliExpress, and I'm also using my XKJ foil glue that I got from Amazon. I'm going to apply a thin layer of the foil glue onto my nail. Again, I have already applied Builder Base to my nail, so I did not buff or file or do anything to the nail. Just simply apply the foil glue onto it and allow it to self-dry. You will also want to apply foil glue onto your nail tip. Now, this is so that I can pop the nail tips off if I wanted to leave the polygel on. This is optional if you want to leave the nail on, just like the Lazy Girl method. But I just wanted to show you that you are able to pop the nail tip off if you wanted to using foil glue. So both nail as well as your natural nail will need some time to self-dry. This can take from anywhere from 1 to 3 minutes. Just allow it to self-dry on its own. Once it's ready to dry, you can go in with your polygel. I'm going to be using the Modelones base gel as well as the Modelones clear polygel onto this nail, and I'm going to be using my Savillon spatula. So you want to grab your nail tip and apply a thin layer of your selected base gel onto the nail. Do not cure the base gel. This is just going to act as your slip solution for your polygel. Once you have applied that layer of base gel onto the nail tip, then you are going to go in with your polygel and just apply that onto the nail tip. So I'm going to be using a little bit of my slip solution from Savillon. You can use a slip solution or you can use base gel if you don't have one. And I'm just going to go ahead and pat this polygel into place just to make sure that it's not too bulky and that it is spread out onto the entire nail. So once you are done patting the polygel into place, you want to also grab that same base gel again and just apply a thin layer to your natural nail. And this is going to help the polygel to actually adhere to your nail. Apply the polygel tip to your nail. Don't press too hard, else you will have a little bit of seepage to the side and possibly a little bit of seepage to the tip of the nail, the free edge. So just make sure that you position it into place, and once you are satisfied, clean off any excess using the slip solution or isopropyl alcohol, and then go ahead and cure your polygel tip for about 50 seconds in the case of my lamp. It might be longer if you have a lamp that doesn't have a lot of wattage onto it. So now that the nail has been fully cured, if you wanted to remove this nail, you can just use a little cuticle pusher and find a crack area that you can shove it under. It looks like this is painful and this is rough, but it really isn't that difficult, and it pops off relatively easy. So there is no damage. So what you see me flaking off right now is just a little bit of the polygel from the nail tip. There is no damage done to my nail. And I also wanted to show that if you wanted to actually pop the nail tip off rather than leaving the nail tip on like with the Lazy Girl method, if you wanted to actually remove that nail tip, you could also do that as well. But you would need to apply the foil glue onto the nail tip as well. Again, that is also optional. So as you can see, that is also being separated from the nail tip as well. So if you wanted polygel to be on your nail, you could do both the foil glue method under and over the nail tip.